Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Mohammad Arafat, first year MBBS, I'm Abdul Rahim Medical College, Dinajpur. Right now, I'm going to discuss about the fetal circulation. Let's. At first, we have to know what is fetal circulation. Yeah. During the embryonic life, the blood circulation of fetus body is called the fetal circulation. Okay. During the embryonic life, the lungs cannot functioning, yeah, and the pulmonary circulation is stopped. So the source of oxygenated blood and the excretion of venous blood is connected to the placenta of mother. Okay, the placenta is the source of oxygenated blood. Right now, the oxygenated blood from placenta goes to the umbilical vein, yeah. Then the umbilical vein goes to the liver. Where is the portal vein? Okay, the blood from the portal vein it goes to the ductus venosus. From the ductus venosus it goes to the inferior vena cava. Between the junction of inferior vena cava and right atrium there is a eustachian valve. The valve guides the vena caval blood to the left atrium through the foramen ovale. Here is the foramen ovale between the junction of right and left atrium. Okay, the oxygenated blood from the left atrium goes to the left ventricle through the bicuspid valve. Here now the oxygenated blood then goes to the aortic valve, then arch of aorta, whereas it goes to the upper lip, head and neck through the brachiocephalic trunk, left common carotid artery and left subclavian artery. Okay, hold this blood here. Point to be noted that the venous blood from the lower limb and abdomen goes to the inferior vena cava, and also venous blood from the upper limb, head and neck goes to the superior vena cava. Both of them means superior vena cava and inferior vena cava blood drained into right atrium. Okay, here the vena cava drained. Okay, from the right atrium the vena cava blood goes to the right ventricle through the tricuspid valve. Okay, then the venous blood goes to the pulmonary artery. Okay, there are two branches of pulmonary artery, left and right branch. Now the venous blood goes to the left branch, and it is the main cause that between the junction of left pulmonary artery and aorta there is a ductus arteriosus. That means we have the ductus arteriosus. Ductus arteriosus mixed the oxygenated and venous blood. Okay, here the mixed point. Then the blood goes to the descending thoracic aorta, iliac artery, common iliac artery, then two umbilical arteries. Finally, the venous blood and oxygenated blood get mixed and goes to the placenta. Now we have to know that the umbilical cord is consist of one umbilical vein and two umbilical arteries. At last we have to know the slight change that goes to the structure of fetus. Here is the one umbilical vein is converted to the ligamentum teres. Ductus venosus, here the ductus venosus is converted to the ligamentum venosum. Foramen ovale, here is the foramen ovale get closed. Okay, the ductus arteriosus converted to the ligamentum arteriosus, and the two umbilical arteries, is converted to the medial umbilical ligaments. This is the sort of whole fetal circulation.